Every level of wealth is a different game with different rules. The things you need to do to earn your first $1 won't make you $100,000, and what made you a millionaire won't get you anywhere near $1 billion. Today we're breaking down tried and tested real-world strategies to show you how money is made at every level of wealth, from $1 to $1 million, all the way up to $1 billion. Welcome to Alux, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. All right. So the goal here is for you to eventually learn how to make $1 billion. Big money, right? But in order to get to that point, first you have to understand how making money works, even at the most basic level. So let's start off small. How do you make your first dollar? Well, you might have guessed, your strategy here can be pretty simple. So here's what you do. Grab a cooler full of plastic water bottles, a walk on the beach, and eventually you'll find someone who looks thirsty. Guess what? They have a need. You've got the resources to satisfy that need. Now you just have to ask for money in exchange, and like that, you've made your first dollar. Now, obviously, it's $1, right? You're not going to be buying yourself a jet or a private island anytime soon, but this still proves something really important. The guy on the beach was willing to pay $1 for a bottle of water because that was valuable to him. So whether you're selling water at the beach or using some of the more advanced strategies we'll be talking about later on, making money ultimately just comes down to one thing: exchanging value. And at the end of the day, that's what making money is all about: finding something people want or need and giving it to them in exchange for payment. Value equals money. That is the basic formula for wealth creation. Simple, right? But the great thing about it is, you can use this exact same principle to make a hell of a lot more than $1. How about $10? So a bottle of water can be valued at $1, but let's say you open up your computer, you go to Canva, and make a simple and printable design. Something like a meal plan, a habit tracker, or a daily to-do list. For the right person, those 10 minutes you spent designing would solve a real problem, whether it's staying in shape, building habits, or staying organized. Your product would actually help someone to achieve a goal, so when compared to a water bottle, it's a lot more valuable. If you go and list it on a platform like Etsy, where you can sell stuff online, you could very well sell it for $10. And that's the thing. As the things you make and sell become more helpful, you can charge more for them. Or if we bring it back to our formula, if value equals money, then more value, it equals more money. It really is that simple. But that's not the only way you can make money, no. Sometimes it's not about adding more value, it's about creating it. So let's say you're walking by a garage sale and you spot an old, dusty, on the verge of broken piece of furniture that's going for just $30. Your imagination immediately lights up and you think, yeah, okay, I can give that a fix. So you drop $30 for it, you spend a little bit more on paint and some supplies, you clean it, repaint it, maybe swap out the handles, and bam! Suddenly that old dusty dresser looks like something straight out of Pinterest. And if you put your mind to it, you could easily turn a profit of around $100 when you sell it. So you see, Aluxer, you can take something that's pretty much worthless, and when you make it useful, you create value. You're essentially creating money out of thin air with the tiniest bit of effort. Okay, so by now you've learned 3 crucial lessons. That you make money when you provide value, that the more value you provide, the more money you can make, and that you literally create value out of thin air. Think of those as the fundamental principles of making money. Value equals money, more value equals more money, and that you can create money out of thin air by making things more valuable. From here, let's stick to one single business model and see how those same 3 principles can help you to make thousands, millions, and even billions of dollars. Okay, so let's say, for example, that you've been learning to code. Practicing problem solving by programming games, websites, and simple tools for yourself. It's nothing groundbreaking, just solid, useful skills. Now it's time to turn those skills into cash. If you sign up for a platform like Upwork or Fiverr, you'll find thousands of people who could use your help. Maybe someone needs a quick landing page or a script that pulls data from a spreadsheet and cleans it up. The truth is, small businesses and solo creators run into problems that can be solved with basic code all the time. And this is where you'll get your first taste of what more value equals more money actually means. Because being able to code something into existence for someone is a $1,000 skill. It's not passive, it's not scalable, but if you can solve people's problems for them, you'll find that your skills are money-making engines. And the more valuable the skills you have, the more valuable your time becomes. Now, of course, coding isn't for everyone, right? But the great thing about the roadmap we're laying out here today is that the lessons you're learning apply no matter what skill you're building. But here's the thing, though. This is where most people get stuck. Most people can't reach the next level of wealth, not because they're not smart or ambitious, but because they don't actually know how to apply their skills in the real world. From this point on, we're talking about advanced wealth creation strategies, the kind that enable you to make millions or even billions of dollars. But for you to really take advantage of them, you'll need more than just ideas. You'll have to have the right tools, the right guidance, and the right systems behind you. And that's exactly why we created the Alux app. The first thing you do once you join the Alux app is take a short quiz to get clear on where you are and where you want to go. And from there, our algorithm builds a personalized growth path for you, so you're never guessing about where your next step is. Inside, you'll find an ever-growing library of expert-led lessons that teach you everything from basic financial skills like budgeting to entrepreneurship, wealth creation, and even the high-level investment strategies of the ultra-wealthy like private equity. Every skill you master inside the Alux app gets you that much closer to the life you actually want. And the app even lets you track your progress in real time so you can watch yourself level up day by day. Today, hundreds of thousands of professionals, entrepreneurs, and CEOs use the Alux app as a part of their daily routine because they understand that wealth is built on education. If you're serious about reaching this kind of success, this is the tool that will help you do it. Just download the app, scan the QR code on screen, and you'll get 25% off your yearly plan. Get started today and let's build something remarkable. Okay, so moving on to making $10,000, shall we? So by this point, you've got the ability to make some decent cash, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Right now, you are still trading your time for money. The problem here is that you're the engine. If you stop working, that money stops flowing. So what if you could use your skills one time and they keep working for you forever? Let's say you've done a handful of those freelance gigs we talked about, building custom scripts for your clients. Eventually, you find that people keep asking you for the same kind of thing over and over again. But instead of doing that same work again and again, this time you turn the solution into a product people can start using instantly. You write a better version of the code, design a clean interface, and host it on a website with a login. So now, instead of charging one person once every time you build it, every time, you charge everyone every month to use the same tool. Congratulations, you've just made the leap from freelancer to founder. Remember, you can create money out of thin air by making things more valuable. At the core, that's what this tool is. It's your skill packaged into something people can use without needing you physically. And if skills are money-making engines, then tools are money-making machines. They keep printing money even when you're not working. So if you're using a skill to help one person, ask yourself, how do I turn it into a tool that anyone can use? That is how you start earning in the tens of thousands of dollars. Moving on to $100,000. By this point, you've got a tool, something that people are actually paying for. But let's be honest, okay? It's not gonna be all sunshine and rainbows because the truth is, you're still the one holding it together. At this point, you're answering support emails, you're fixing bugs on the fly, you're DMing people trying to get your first 50 users. That is not a business, okay? Quite honestly, that sounds like a bit of a nightmare. Your tool is still only working because you are, but it's not the end of the world. In fact, if you play it right, this is your opportunity to start making hundreds of thousands of dollars. All you have to do is take a step back and start replacing yourself one system at a time. Say you build a landing page with a clear pitch and a giant red buy button that people cannot miss. And then you write a bunch of tutorials walking them through every feature. And you even hire someone to take care of customer support, so no more all-nighters sending out emails. Do this kind of thing enough times, and you'll have gone from running the business yourself to just watching it run by itself. The truth is, a tool only becomes a business when it works without you. Because value equals money, yeah, okay, but systems are how you collect it at scale without turning your life into the definition of stress. And that is the difference between a little project and an actual company. All right, so now you've got a product, you've got your systems, you're making hundreds of thousands of dollars, but how about that cool milli? Eventually, you'll hit a wall, and you'll know exactly when it happens. You're staring at a list of features you want to build or a marketing idea you want to execute, but you don't have time or the skills for it. The truth is, you can only scale a business so far before you realize the bottleneck is you, my friend. Don't worry though, okay? This is where things get interesting because now, instead of just building a product, you start building a team. You bring on a developer or two to help you ship more complex, more valuable features faster. You bring on a designer to make your interface shine, a marketer to scale your reach, and maybe even an assistant, just to make your life a bit easier. Suddenly, the things that used to take you months alone now take a week, tops, and somehow it's all better. You see, more people isn't just more hands, it's more brains. When you bring in people who are better than you at the things that matter, people who can write tighter code, design a smoother experience, or build marketing campaigns that actually get sales, then you stop being the limit. You plug them into the system you've already built, get them working on the tools you started, and suddenly your product starts evolving in ways you simply could not have pulled off alone. And that is huge. At the end of the day, there's a reason people say that if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together. You can always create value out of thin air, but with the right people by your side, that value compounds. Once you stop asking, what can I do? And you start asking, what can we build together? That is when you start making millions of dollars. But how about 10 million? Because by now you've got a real team, and together you've turned a simple tool into a real business. If you want to add another zero to that net worth, though, you're going to have to stop thinking in terms of a product and start thinking in terms of a platform. Let's say your original tool was a scheduling app. By this point, your users will practically be begging for reminders. Then it's going to be task management, then notes, then analytics. Instead of sending them off to 5 different apps, you start building those features yourself, one by one, inside your own ecosystem where everything works together, everything lives in one place, and every time you solve another problem for the same person, your product gets harder to ignore. This is how companies like Notion, Figma, and ClickUp scaled so fast. They didn't go wider, no, they went deeper, serving the same users in more and more meaningful ways. It's a 1 + 1 = 11 kind of situation. And that's how the principle of value equals money scales. As you start to solve more problems, the value you provide grows exponentially, and the numbers, well, they take care of themselves. By this point, you should easily be clearing 10 million bucks. But come on, right? If you've made it this far, of course you're gonna be going for that big 100 million. But the thing is, at this stage, it's not about building the next feature or adding another product. Instead, it's about making sure the world knows who you are and what you stand for. Take Shopify, for example. Their software is great, sure, but that's not what turned it into a $100 billion company. What really made Shopify explode was that people believed in it. Shopify didn't just help people sell online, it made them feel like they were meant to be entrepreneurs. It spoke to who they were, and it gave them a reason to care. That is the power of a brand. Remember when we said you can create money out of thin air by making things more valuable? Well, that's exactly what a brand does, but pretty much on steroids. Brands create value before anyone even touches the product because they create a story, an emotion, and an identity that people just well, they vibe with. And when you get that right, your brand becomes your most valuable asset. People will try your next product without hesitation. They'll happily pay more for the same thing your competition sells. And they'll keep coming back to you for years because they believe in what you're building. At this level, you're turning trust into cold, hard cash and loyalty into exponential growth. But if that wasn't already remarkable enough, to get to billionaire status, you have to do something truly extraordinary. And there's probably no better example of this than Stripe. Now, you've probably used their software more times than you even realize, but Stripe isn't flashy. It doesn't make any noise. You might not even know what it is, but that really doesn't matter. Every time a creator sells a course, a streaming service charges a subscription fee, or a nonprofit collects donations over the internet, there's a good chance Stripe is involved. Because that's what Stripe is: infrastructure. In the early days of the internet, paying for anything online was a nightmare. It was complicated, slow, you were probably getting hacked somewhere in the process. But Stripe solved all of that. Now it powers trillions of dollars of online payments and takes a tiny little cut of every one. It's a fantastic business because who wouldn't want a little slice of a $1 trillion pie? If you want to get to $1 billion status, take a page out of Stripe's playbook. Stripe became a foundational layer of the internet's economy. The lesson you should take from that is when you make yourself absolutely essential to somebody else's success, your success becomes inevitable. You're no longer fighting for market share, you are the market. So if you want to reach the top of the wealth ladder, this is it. You stop trying to be the solution and you become the thing all other solutions are built on. That is how you reach $1 billion. So now you know. Wealth doesn't just happen by accident, it happens on purpose, when you understand where you are and what the next level demands. Because the game, well, it definitely does have levels. Now, in this video, we just showed you what they are, but if you want to really go deep and learn how to build generational wealth, download the Alux app and scan the QR code on screen right now. That'll get you your 25% off discount. All right, Aluxers, with all this said, we hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you back here next time. Until then, take care, my friend.